So for me, the only other vehicles that I'm willing to deploy money into outside of business is the blockchain or real estate, right? So first, my flow of money goes into the blockchain first, because I know worst case scenario, I can get 35% rate of return on that money. And so when I'm making decisions or when my wife wants to go do something or things like that, I have to break out of it, because there's certain things that, obviously if you're going to go on vacation, you want to have memories and experiences, like I'm willing to spend money on those things. But because it's been so ingrained in me, like I'm running the math in my head, like, oh, this vacation is gonna be like $5,000. I'm running the math in my head, like that $5,000 I could either put in my business, get and turn it into $50,000, or I could put it on the blockchain and start making 35% compounding, get a 35% compounding rate of return on that. So you don't want to go too extreme.